Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Klaviyo with Zapier for AI-driven email personalization step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zapier website. Log into your Zapier account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. In the top navigation bar, click on the Make a Zap button. You will be prompted to choose a trigger app. Now, you will need to connect your Klaviyo account to Zapier. Click on Sign in to Klaviyo to authenticate your account. A pop-up will appear prompting you for your Klaviyo API key. To find your API key, log into your Klaviyo account. From your Klaviyo dashboard, click on your account name in the bottom left corner. Select Account from the drop-down menu. In the Settings tab, click on API Keys to locate your API key. Copy the API key and return to the Zapier pop-up. Paste your API key into the provided field and click on Yes, Continue. Once your account is connected, you will see a list of available triggers. Select the specific trigger you previously chose and click Continue. Zapier will then prompt you to test the trigger. Follow the instructions to ensure that Zapier successfully retrieves data from your Klaviyo account. Once the test is successful, click on Continue. Now it's time to set up your action step. Search for and select the app you want to connect with Klaviyo, such as Gmail or Google Sheets. Choose the action event that aligns with your email personalization goals. Click Continue to proceed. Next, connect your selected app to Zapier by following similar authentication steps. Once connected, you will be able to set up the specific action fields. Map the data from your Klaviyo trigger to the fields in your action app. Customize the email template or content using the data you mapped for personalization. Once you have configured all necessary fields, click Continue. Now, Zapier will prompt you to test. After a successful test, click Done Editing. Finally, turn on your Zap by toggling the switch at the top of the screen. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Klaviyo with Zapier for AI-driven email. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.